I'll be showing you my Coca-Cola fridge I got today. So how this works, I'll just show you the outside first. I got this at Canadian Tire. Just open it. It's pretty cold. I left it on for like an hour. Don't have any drinks. Oh, there we go. Here, hold on. So, I'll start off with the back. Oh my god. It's pretty hard to do this. I have a messy room. Well, I just cleaned it. Deal with it. So here is the fan. You can see the fan rotating. Here's the AC plug, and here's a DC plug. So you can change it to off, hot, not that kind of hot, weirdos, and cold. So it comes with these two cables. This one DC, right? Yeah, DC. This is for like your car and stuff. Now if we turn around, I got this around for $53, Canadian Tire. I really like this really simple way. So what you can do, you can actually, let's see if I can freaking open it. You can remove this grill and add more Coke. You know, Coke. And yeah, that's my review. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and have a nice day.